How to confirm if the problem is really a dead lamp bead. 2. What tools you need. 3. Step-by-step replacement guide. 4. Key tips and precautions during operation. Turn on full screen white, red, green, and blue test patterns to locate abnormal pixels. Optionally, use a multimeter to check for open circuits. Soldering iron, solder wire, tweezers, LED lamp. Be sure to use the exact same LED model in size, voltage, and type, especially for fine pixel pitch panels. Step 1. Remove the mask. Step 2. Clean off the glue around the dead lamp. Step 3. Use a soldering iron to apply solder wire on both sides of the LED. Heat both sides quickly to remove the LED. Step 4. Clean the glue from the board and reapply solder to the 4 solder pads. Step 5. Use solder wire to stick the bottom of the LED to the solder pads. Step 6. Perform a light test for red, green, blue, and white lights. Step 7. Reapply potting compound and let it air dry for 2 hours. Step 8. Reinstall the mask to complete the repair. Common issues. Still dark? Check polarity or cold solder joints. Flickering screen? Possible short circuit. Multiple beads not lighting? Could be IC or power issue. Repairing a lamp bead is quick and easy with the right tools. But remember, using a quality display from the start saves you time and headaches later. We are a professional manufacturer and a supplier of high-quality LED displays.